Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over my honest review on the Rongta Thermal Label Printer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting the Rongta Bluetooth shipping label printer. How actually has it been for me? So what I really like about it is that it's super lightweight. I like how it's just a solid color black. It uses folded label printer paper. So it's not going to be able to use rolled up paper. I've been able to print over 80 shipping labels so far with no problems at all. And you're able to print via Bluetooth. So how that works is you download this app called the Rongta app. So it's this orange and white app down over here. It's called Rongta. And then once you turn on the Rongta printer, go ahead and open up the app, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and it should automatically appear on the top left-hand side. So go ahead and click on the printer that you want to go ahead and connect. So once your phone is connected to the printer, you can print PDFs, images, you can print labels. For someone like me who sells cards online, that's the reason why I wanted a thermal label printer. I'm able to easily print out shipping labels, packing slips directly from my phone. So this printer does support Bluetooth connection on your phone, and it also supports Bluetooth connection through your Windows laptop or computer, but also includes a hardwire as well if you want to go ahead and print that way as well. Now, with the Rongta Thermal Label Printer, it does need to use folded labels like this. So it uses 4x6. It's not going to be able to use rolled up paper. But with it using 4x6 labels, how it works is if we go ahead and print and do a demonstration, I'm going to print a mock label or a fake label from my camera album. So it just asks you to confirm the paper size, and then the orientation is good. So we're going to click on print. And as you can see, it prints out very, very fast. And so you just rip the label afterwards, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is my review on the Rongta Thermal Label Printer. If you print shipping labels, if you sell stuff online, if you need packing slips, definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. You just got to make sure you calibrate the paper inside of it correctly, which is very easy. All you've got to do is just feed it the paper into the machine and it'll calibrate itself. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.